a machine learning model to predict where the stock market price might go up. Hi, my name is Lyra and welcome to part 3 of my 10-part series, Building an Automated Trading Model. At this point, we know the data is there, the patterns are subtle, and the stock market is not something we can solve with one simple straight line relationship. And that is what led me to finally choose the machine learning methodology behind this model, which is going to be a HistGradientBoostingClassifier. Here's how it works. Instead of looking at all the market signals and giving each one a single weight, this model learns by building a sequence of decision trees where each new tree is trying to correct the mistakes made by the ones before it. So under the hood, the model starts with a rough prediction, looks at where that prediction is wrong, and then adds another small tree to move the prediction in the right direction. Then it does that again and again and again. Now to me, this seemed to be the ideal model because every tree-based boosting model can learn the layered if-then relationships in the stock market. It can figure out that one feature matters more when volatility is low, or that another only matters when the market is in a certain regime. And the best part is that I don't have to write any of these rules myself. At the end of the process, the model produces a raw score based on everything it has learned. That score then gets translated into a probability, which tells me how likely the model thinks a real upward move in the S&P 500 is. And by the way, if you're curious and want to follow the project in more detail, check out the repository where I'm keeping the code as I build this. In the next part, we are going to dive into the code and start some serious feature engineering, so follow along so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next one.